He is talking to her calmly. He is talking to her calmly. He serves variety meal in a decent way. He serves variety meal in a decent way. She is holding a flask. She is holding a flask. She checks patient in dental chair. She checks patient in dental chair. He performs high kick. He performs high kick. He is clinging to orange jar. He is clinging to orange jar. They are jumping with arms raised. They are jumping with arms raised. He is feeling angry. He is feeling angry. He is jogging on treadmill. He is jogging on treadmill. She is paddling kayak on water. She is paddling kayak on water. He orders phone via smartphone. He orders phone via smartphone. He is walking with backpack smiling. He is walking with backpack smiling. She is waving in pink dress. She is waving in pink dress. They are giving high five. They are giving high five. She is working on computer. She is working on computer. He is playing with toy car. He is playing with toy car. He is running flat. He is running flat. She is lying on sofa using smartphone. She is lying on sofa using smartphone. He is opening the book. He is opening the book. She is drinking warm tea. She is drinking warm tea. They are sitting together. They are sitting together. He is fixing the chair. He is fixing the chair. She is cleaning the floor. She is cleaning the floor. He is holding a basket. He is holding a basket. He feeds the birds. He feeds the birds. They play in garden. They play in garden. She ties her hair. She ties her hair. He washes his hands. He washes his hands. They laugh together. They laugh together. She holds a pencil. She holds a pencil. He waits for the bus. He waits for the bus.